23.5 million Americans live in food deserts.
It's a very difficult thing to get people to change their habits. How are we going to counter that?
76% of Americans have a chronic disease.
What's underlying all of these different disease diagnoses?
Should we teach people how to heal themselves with food? That's going to take a lot of money from this whole trillion-dollar healthcare industry.
Childhood cancer is set to spike.
54% of kids under the age of 18 have some form of a chronic disorder or disease.
We have big corporations manipulating science in order to gain profit.
Our national security problem is that people are so sick in this country that we're dying at a higher rate than most other countries. There's too many politics that are trying to squash what we're doing here. The last farm of mine was right over there. It's underneath the ice skating rinks across the parking lot. Now this is going to be turned into a water polo pool.
If we don't do something about this broken food systems, we're going to have a country full of sick people.
This is dead serious.
The nation's most populous state is in shutdown mode.
Because of COVID, the face of hunger changed.
The coronavirus crisis has put the world on the brink of a hunger pandemic.
If we provide the proper environmental signals, we can actually allow the body to heal itself.
Detoxify first and change the cell's memory with light-filled food.
The vitality from the food is the life force energy, or prana.
Is the fuel in the gas tank ultimately for this biophotonic energy pool that's necessary for life to be abundant. Medicine is starting to finally embrace the reality of physics rather than biology.
It's forcing everybody who works with this food to confront a new reality.
It enables the molecules to work at close to 100% efficiency.
It's as if I was eating light.
The prime DNA code is to regenerate.
We all need to heal something.